Dear viewers, in the view of upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination, PT 2021 revision series has been started to make your preparation better. The program will be published at 9 a.m. daily. Hope this initiative of ours will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Dear viewers, welcome to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is World's first 5-country biosphere reserve. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, UNESCO designated Mura-Drava-Danube, that is MDD, as the world's first 5-country biosphere reserve. The biosphere reserve covers 700 kilometers of the Mura, Drava and Danube rivers. Now let's discuss about Mura-Drava-Danube, that is MDD. It stretches across 5 countries: Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, Hungary and Serbia. The total area of the reserve is 1 million hectares. It lies in the so-called Amazon of Europe. It is the largest river Rhine protected area on this continent. It is home to floodplain forests, gravel and sandbanks, river islands, oxbows and meadows. It is home to continental Europe's highest density of breeding white-tailed eagles. It is also an important annual resting and feeding place for more than 250,000 migratory birds. Now moving on to the information about Biosphere Reserve. The Biosphere Reserve is an international designation given by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. Its objective is to promote biodiversity through the conservation of plants and animals. Biosphere reserves include terrestrial, marine and coastal ecosystems. Biosphere reserves are nominated by national governments. Biosphere reserves are designated under the MAB program of UNESCO. Their status is internationally recognized. Zones of Biosphere Reserve are core areas. It is the most protected area of the Biosphere Reserve where entry of people is prohibited but research-related work is allowed. Second, Buffer Zone. In this zone, limited activities such as fishing, grazing, etc. are allowed. Lastly, Transition Zone. This is the outermost area of Biosphere Reserve where human and economic activities are allowed. Now let's discuss the Biosphere Reserve in India. Currently, there are 18 Biosphere Reserves in India. 12 of these are covered under the MAB program of UNESCO. Panna is India's latest Biosphere Reserve included in UNESCO's MAB program. India's first Biosphere Reserve is Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The largest Biosphere Reserve by area is Kutch of Gujarat. Now shifting towards some other important facts related to it. UNESCO was established in 1945 with its headquarters in Paris, France. UNESCO has 195 member countries. UNESCO launched the Man and Biosphere, that is MAB program in 1971. The objective of this program is to develop a scientific attitude among local communities and the environment. At present, there are about 727 biosphere reserves in 131 countries of the world. A centrally sponsored scheme called Biosphere Reserve was launched by the Government of India in 1986. Now moving on to the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is India's first biosphere reserve. 2. Mura-Drava-Danube, that is MDD, Biosphere Reserve stretches across 4 countries. 3. Panna Biosphere Reserve was included in UNESCO's Man and Biosphere, that is MAB program in 2020. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 only, C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 2 and 3 only? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.